welcome back to me, Vasu. Good hair day is especially a good mood for me because if my hair is not good, I feel like dull, and when I do anything to my hair, it gives me happiness and it'll boost up my mood. So I thought I would share this review and experience of me doing my hair coloring and also give you a good hair day. Today's video we are going to discuss about no ammonia permanent hair color, which is one of the leading hair products brand, and this is mostly used by professionals at salons. Schwarzkpof, I'm not sure if I'm spelling it correct or not, but Schwarzkpof Essensity is what we are going to talk about. First thing I wanted to talk about this is it is ammonia free permanent hair color, doesn't give that strong chemical odors while you are applying it. Secondly, there are no artificial fragrances added to this, and when you are using this, you doesn't feel anything like a bad smell or a good smell. It is very neutral and you doesn't feel much strong scent and something from this product while you are using. They also say that there are no silicones in this, but I'm not sure about all these silicones and all in the hair colors. This is one of the feature of this product, so I wanted to mention that. I heard that this is also more beneficial for people who have a sensitive scalp. There are many people asking me how do I maintain my hair and all, so sharing the thoughts of the products that I am using might be helpful to someone who is looking for an ammonia free permanent hair color. The shade that I'm using from this brand is dark brown and it is 3-0 and their color, and this is their developer.
So without any delay, let's go into the video and see the process I follow. I usually take a hair shower before my actual hair coloring day with a shampoo to make sure that my hair is clean, and do not apply any conditioner, leave-in conditioner or the treatment oils, and make sure that I am completely drying my hair.
It's hair coloring day today.
These have to be used in a 1:1 ratio. This is how the actual color looks like, and this is the developer. I usually measure like this, but you can even use a cough syrup cup or something. I used to do the same thing and mix it well.
Now let's start coloring my hair.
And all you need is a pair of gloves and a hair coloring brush. I don't want to focus much on the pattern of coloring your hair because it all depends on our convenience. But one thing I want to speak is about the hair coloring brush. I really love how convenient it is because it has a comb on one side and you can easily flip and color your hair as well. And the tail comb, if you want to have a perfect partitioning, you can use this as well, but I rarely use it. The other thing that I want to mention here is as it is ammonia free, it is very much gentle enough on the scalp with no irritation, no dry scalp, and very less damage to hair. I'm almost done and wrapping it up, and I'm just applying it again in front because that's the main part that has to be covered.
After applying, they usually recommend to keep it for 30 to 45 minutes on your hair, and then you need to rinse it off. And also one more thing that I want to specify here is you can directly rinse it with shampoo, and that is highly recommended, because if the product doesn't wash off well from your scalp, it is not good, is what I feel. And this was something that my hairdresser has mentioned to me as well, that this is something not like a henna that you apply it, rinse with normal water, and the next day you need to wash with shampoo. It's not like that.
I'm back after 45 minutes of wait time and after a good hair shower with shampoo and conditioner as well. If you see, it just reflects so natural and the shine also is very good. So I really love this. And after this, on damp hair, I always make sure that I'm applying my Moroccan oil, treatment oil, because it will give a more healthy shine look, and also it will reduce the frizz as well. And once I apply this, I wait for a minute and then do my hair drying, and all set to continue the video now.
This is how I do my hair coloring. This is something that I have been using from a long time, so I don't even have a thought of replacing this hair color with any other brand because I'm so much used and I feel very much comfortable with this. Disclaimer I want to do is this has worked for me. I'm not sure how it works on different hair types or on different people's scalp. So this video and the thoughts I'm sharing on this product is completely personal and I really loved it. That's the reason I wanted to share to all of you you as well who are looking for a review on this product, I would like to suggest to go to your hair specialist, consult them, and then you can use the products and all. So the first time that I got introduced with this hair color is in my Lakme salon. I am a permanent customer for Lakme. College I have done a complete hair coloring. I have done so many things from my college days, so there is a lot of damage that I did to my hair. I also recover all the damage that I do for my hair with the keratin treatments and the Nutri Smooth treatments.
I have covered all the videos here, and if you want you can watch in my hair care playlist. And here are the product details. If you're somebody who is watching from India and you are in Hyderabad, you can go and purchase from Kathiawar. And also, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu.